Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the journals which you can submit your manuscript and publish it for free. That is, we are going to talk about the unpaid journals which is listed in UGC CAT. While explaining about the journal, while showing the journal, I'll also tell you what are the important criteria you should check before submitting your manuscript. So, this is the first journal which we are going to discuss, that is Albanian Journal of Mathematics. The very first thing you have to see is what are the scope. Okay, so what are the topic which you can submit it in this journal. So you can see here that algebra, group theory, commutative algebra, field theory, like this. So these are all the various topic which they are dealing with. So if your research is under these concepts, under these domains, so you can definitely submit your manuscript here. Okay, so the very first thing you have to check is whether it is its scope is based on your research. Okay, because though it is free, if the scope doesn't match your manuscript title, then they will not accept your journal. Okay, accept your paper. So you have to check this first. Then once you have checked this, you can see what is the citation index. Okay, you can see the citation index here. I have already discussed about what is a citation index, what is impact factor in my previous video. You can go and check that. Next thing you have to see is what is the frequency of the publication. Either that will be available in the home page or else it will be available in the about us. Okay, so you have to read it completely. Please don't feel very lazy to read all these things before considering any journal or any conferences, because this is very important. And even once if you come to about us, you can see various subgroups. Okay, like what are the other topics which they are concentrating on. And then you have to see the frequency. See, they are what they are doing, the frequency. And the papers can be directly sent to the member. Okay, you can submit the paper to the member, and they will take nearly 3 to 4 months to publish the paper. Okay, and what are the call for paper recently, if they have any special issue, probably for the special issue your paper will be accepted very fast. So you can also consider the special issue. Okay, and you can see that throughout its existence, journal has not charged any fees to the authors and has always been a free open access journal. This you can see. Okay, and the another one which you should always check is that you have to see the recent issue. Okay, that is, go to the archives. Fine, and you can find the recent issue anywhere. So click on that recent issue, download any one paper and read it completely. Like, what is the style of the paper they're accepting, and what are the topics which you can include. Okay, you're not copying anything from here, you're just getting some idea. So you have to read at least 2 to 3 papers so that you will get some idea about it. Okay, and you have to go to the submissions, and you can see that you whether they have given you any template, or they are asking you, see here, template.zip. Okay, so you have to download this template.zip, and you can edit your paper, that is your content, and that template itself. Okay, so these are the important thing which you have to check. What is the important thing you have to check in every journal? That is the scope of the journal, what is the frequency of the journal, and whether they are asking any money, like any publication charges, like that. So that you have to that you have to check. And finally you have to see like what is the impact factor they have. Okay, and how many weeks they are taking to review your paper and get back to you, because you have to wait till that. Okay, and here you can see that even if they have been given the frequency of the journal, you can find it through the archives itself. See, volume 15 is 2021, so I think every year they are releasing that is a yearly journal is this is. Okay, if you click on volume 15, you have a certain number of papers. Okay, and volume 14, that is 2020, 2021, 2019, like that. For every year they are publishing, so this is yearly publishing journal. Okay, and apart from that, if you wish, like if you I have directly opened this through the UGC group 1 journal, so there is no need to worry about anything. In few cases you have to go and check what is the indexing and abstracting and indexing, and what are all the database they have indexed in. Okay, that too you have to check. Okay, so this is all about what you have to check in every individual journal. So we have discussed about Albanian Journal of Mathematics. Okay, now let's see the next one, which is African Journal of Mathematics. So here you can see what are all the overview. Just go to the overview and you can find the African is an international journal, highest ranking, submitted to the. Okay, fine. So if they haven't given any specific content, like any specific topic, then it is like you can directly submit your journal. If they really finds that this is not relevant to them, then they will respond to you. Okay, in few journals you cannot expect that everything will be there. Okay, and based on the number of volumes, even if they haven't given like what is the frequency of the journal. Okay, in most of the journal they'll write it in the very first page itself, like what is the frequency of publication. But in most of the journal you cannot find that. Okay, in that case what you can do is you can go and check for the contents, that is recent issue or the archives. Okay, from that you can find, see volume 1 2004, that is two times they have published in 2004. One time in 2005, two in 2007, two in 2008. So they are publishing twice or once. Okay, so it depends on the journal. Sometimes due to COVID they might have stopped it. Okay, if you want more information about it, you can simply go and click contact us and send a mail to them. They will definitely respond to you. Okay, so don't worry about it. And this is also a free journal for mathematics. You can submit your paper here. Okay, and here you can find the submission guidelines, and you can see what is the guidelines they have given, how you have to prepare the manuscript and everything. Okay, and here you can find that the authors or accepted papers will automatically receive a PDF copy of their published paper free of charge, so it is free. And if you couldn't find more about the scope and frequency of the publication, you can simply mail them. Okay, if the relevant information is not given here in the journal page, you can find it. Okay, so the next is we are going to talk about ADBU Journal of Engineering and Technology. So here you can see that this is biannually, June, July, and December and January. They are publishing only twice a year. Okay, and scroll down to see more about it. So they have opened a notice for the call for paper for the upcoming issue. You can click here and you can find the template, word template here. Okay, and for June and July issue you should submit it before 30th April, and December January issue you should submit before 30th October. Okay, so in few journal homepage they might have also mentioned the last date of submitting, because since it is not that is a monthly publishing, right, monthly publication. So if it is only twice, they might have told like what is the last date. And few journals, and whenever you submit, okay, they will take some time, and based on the paper, that is based on the manuscript, they will reply you. Okay, and you can see if any conferences which is organized by them, that is which is supported by this journal, so even that is also under what UGC care. Okay, you can find it here. And this is about the main thing. Okay, then go to about. Okay, to see more about it, because we have to know what are the various things, like you can see contact, editorial term, focus and scope. This is very very important. What is the main scope? So these are all the main scope of this journal. Okay, these are all the main scope of this journal, which is a focus and scope. And publication policy, there is no fees. Okay, there is no any fees for the publication policy. And AJET guidelines for special issue, this is for special issue. Okay, and you should also check about the indexing, right? So that you can find it here about publishing system, sitemap, journal sponsorship, so how many days they are taking to publish anything. Okay, so here you can see publication frequency, we have already discussed. Okay, and online submission, author guidelines. Okay, so here you can see what is the author guidelines, and if you want any template you can download it from here. And then author guidelines, copyright notice, privacy policy, journal. Okay, about the publishing system, you can see how long they are taking. Okay, so since it is an open source, and they may take too much of time, but not more than 1 or 2 months. Okay, so here you can see how long they will take. Okay, how many process are going up. Got it. And then register, search current archives, announcement. Sometimes in announcement page you may find some what is the abstracting and indexing. And or else if you couldn't find out there, you can just see again, come and check in the home page itself. Okay, so they might have shown here. So but this is definitely abstracted in what this is in UGC catalyst. Okay, from there only I have just opened it. You can directly submit it here. Okay, so the next one we are going to talk about is International Journal of Applied Patent Recognition. So this is 4 issues per year. Okay, and here you can see this will be your first one, that is the scope of the journal, which is they are accepting face recognition, analysis and everything. And these are all the thing, these are all the, if your manuscript is under these topics, then you can probably submit your paper manuscript here. And you can see that there is no charge for publishing with InderScience. Okay, so this is free of cost. And apart from this, you have to check what are the template. And since you have, you know, the frequency and what is the impact factor, and what are all the other abstracting and indexing they have. Okay, so that you can find it here. Since it's an InderScience, of course it will be abstracted in the indexed in Scopus as well. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, this is indexed in UGC. So you can see here it's the UGC University Grants Commission. Okay, and the last one we are going to discuss is International Journal of Financial Engineering and Risk Management. This too has 4 issues per year, and these are all, this is for management people. So these are all the topics which they are concentrating on. And here you can see the objective. Okay, that is overall subject area which they are preferring. And this is the indexing. Okay, you can see here this is indexed in. And articles which there is no charge for publishing with the InderScience. Okay, if you want to make it as an open access, then you have to pay something. But if you don't want to make it as an open access, then you don't want to pay any charge for this. Okay, hope you find this video very useful. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. I'll be there to help you out. I'll meet you soon with the free publication for in Scopus indexed journals as well, which is also applicable for multidisciplinary. Thank you, stay safe, bye bye.